Hi, I'm Amanda Detheridge, third grade teacher at CSA. Hope everyone out there is doing well. This is just a little introduction to some digital tools that CSA will be using during this time of distance learning to support teachers, to support students in our community. So here we go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie Liggins. I teach pre-K 4, and during distance learning, I will be supporting teachers in pre-K 3, pre-K 4, and kindergarten.
Hey, it's Amanda Detheridge again, and I will be supporting teachers in first, second, and third grade for distance learning.
Hi, I'm Jenna Brower. I am a sixth grade history teacher, and I will be supporting fourth through seventh grade teachers in distance learning.
Hi, my name is Greg Gross, and I teach seventh grade sociology, and I will be supporting the fourth through seventh grade teachers as we transition to distance learning. Before we get started, just on behalf of the CSA community, I just want to send out some positive vibes and hope that everyone is doing well, everyone is healthy, taking the necessary precautions to stay safe, practicing social distancing, washing your hands and all that. As you can see, I got a hat on right now. They closed the barber shops. My hair is looking a little rough right now. But I know that we'll make it through this moment, and I look forward to seeing everyone back on campus when that time comes.
So the first tool that we're going to talk about is Hangouts Meet. This will be used by your teachers for a variety of reasons, either a check-in, instructional time, or one-on-one support. So I'm going to present my screen to kind of show you a little bit about what Hangouts Meet looks like and the features. You will be introduced or be able to click the link in a variety of ways. The first way is through an email. It will say join Hangouts Meet. You can also get it through Hangouts itself. And you would just copy the link and paste it into your browser. Once you click that link, it'll take you to an introductory screen that says getting ready. And it has a camera is starting function, as well as allowing you to turn on your microphone and your camera. Once you join the meeting, it'll look very similar to our meeting is right now. For me, I don't have anything up here because I'm presenting. But what you'll notice is that at the bottom, there is a title for the class. And what appears at the bottom as well is the microphone, the leave call button, and the turn off camera button. Another great feature is turning on captions to allow your students to kind of have the opportunity to read along with what the teacher is saying so that they can understand the directions a little bit more clearly. And finally, there is different functions such as changing the layout and full screen. These won't be needed as much. The Google Hangouts Meet will kind of do that on its own. So those are just the main features. Different teachers will use it in different ways. So just stay tuned to hear from your teacher to see how they're going to use it.
Next tool we're going to review is the CSA Connect app, and where you'll be able to find all the videos that teachers will record for your class. This is a structure that will help you to navigate. So here are the next steps. Please open your CSA app. Next, at the top left corner, you will see 3 bars. Click on that. Then look down to Resources. Click. Inside Resources, look to Distance Learning. Click. Then there are 3 folders, one for early education, one for lower school, one for middle school. Select the folder that your child is in. And then from there, there's a grade for each. So kindergarten, pre-K 3, pre-K 4, first through third, and fourth through seventh.
On that note, if you do not have the CSA app downloaded to your phone, please reach out to Byron Avila so he can be helpful in setting you up. If you have any other digital resource needs, like a laptop, webcam, charger, any of those things, please reach out to Byron as well. We want to make sure that everyone has the tools that they need to learn when we're in distance learning. Lastly, you just want to emphasize the importance of remaining accessible via phone, Hangouts, and email. I know Dr. Connor will be sending updates as things evolve and things emerge of what our plan is moving forward. So be on the lookout for that. Also for lower school students and families, be on the lookout for updates from Ivy, as well as middle school students and families, be on the lookout for updates from Zainab. Lastly, I just want to say we miss you all. Again, we hope everyone's safe, everyone is healthy. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. All right, thank you.